Chia seeds. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to talk about the amazing benefits of the chia seed. From its health potential benefits to cancer protection, its heart health benefits to digestive health and disease management. Before we get started, I want to ask you if you get any value from the videos I produce to subscribe to the channel. It's the only way that the channel can grow. And if you are in need of supplements, take a look at our affiliate. Use my personal link, and thanks for your support. Chia seeds 101, and detailed overview. The rich nutritious content of chia seeds has contributed to their enormous rise in popularity in recent years. They are rich in nutrients and especially high in omega-3 fatty acids. Plus, they're a fantastic plant-based protein source. These tiny seeds are beneficial for weight loss since they could increase feelings of fullness. According to study, chia seeds may also aid in the treatment of a number of ailments and aid in digestion. How do chia seeds work? Although chia seeds appear to be a recent phenomenon, their use dates back hundreds of years. Salvia hispanica, a desert plant from which chia seeds are derived, is said to have originated in Central America, where it was an important component of the Aztec diet. Since then, chia has undergone yet another mini rebirth and is now used in a wide variety of dishes, including breads, puddings, and smoothies. Nutrition information for chia seeds. Why are chia seeds so well liked right now? Perhaps their status as nutritional powerhouses is a major factor. There are roughly 69 calories in 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. A variety of vitamins and minerals are also included in chia seeds. Chia seeds' potential health benefits. Research indicates that chia seeds have a wide range of possible health advantages. These could include having anti-carcinogenic qualities and enhancing heart and intestinal health. Prevention of cancer. Chia seeds are an excellent source of several different antioxidants and omega-3 fatty acids, according to a review published in the Journal of Food Science. This could have benefits against cancer. Heart conditions. According to several studies, the omega-3 fatty acids in chia seeds may also aid in blood pressure regulation, cholesterol reduction, and blood clot prevention. Digestive health. Chia seeds' high fiber content can benefit the digestive tract. Research has also shown that chia seeds can help with the management of a number of illnesses and conditions, such as type 2 diabetes, depression, and hypertension. Are chia seeds beneficial for losing weight? Chia seeds' high fiber content can help you feel fuller, which may help you avoid overindulging in food that makes you gain weight. However, there isn't much data to back the claim that eating chia seeds will actually reduce your waist size. Studies on animals have even suggested that they aid in weight loss and enhance feelings of fullness. However, human studies and literature reviews have not supported these claims. Mixed results were discovered in a review study that looked at a number of earlier investigations on chia seeds. They examined 7 earlier research works. Out of the 7, only 4 shown a discernible reduction in weight with chia seed consumption, while 1 study revealed no weight loss at all. Before we can make any meaningful judgments about chia seeds and weight loss, more research is necessary. Tips for choosing and storing chia seeds. You can find chia seeds all year round, but here's how to choose and store them properly. Choosing. Chia seeds are available in 2 colors, black and white. If the seeds are brown, it indicates that they are immature and have not had enough light or water to reach maturity. In addition to having a bitter flavor, brown seeds are not as nutrient-dense as fully grown white or black seeds. Storage. Chia seeds retain their physiological properties for up to a year when stored in paper, glass, or plastic containers. They need to be kept dry and cold. How chia seeds are eaten. Chia seeds are consumed in a variety of ways. The seeds are widely used to make nutritious puddings because, when they absorb water, they take on the texture of gelatin. They can also be baked with in place of eggs. And that's a wrap on today's video all about the incredible chia seeds. Seedling, whether you're looking to boost your nutrition, enhance your recipes, or just learn something new, chia seeds truly are a small but mighty superfood. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health and nutrition tips. Hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. We'd love to hear from you. What's your favorite way to use chia seeds? Drop a comment below and share your thoughts with our community. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy and happy.